ChemSpeed Technologies offers completely automated workflow solutions for sample preparation, synthesis, process research, formulation, application, and testing R&D processes. ChemSpeed provides hardware and software for each step of the product development cycle. Creating and generating complex formulations simultaneously is harder than ever in today's laboratory environment. In this highly demanding field, ChemSpeed has developed the Formax platform with a specific goal in mind. Automation should not just increase the throughput of your laboratory, it should also increase the quality of the discovery and development process. Whether the application field is pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, fine and specialty chemicals, catalysts, polymers, cosmetics, paintings and coatings, or nutrition, ChemSpeed automated platforms offer optimized automated solutions. Formax provides great deck modularity, more than 30 exchangeable robotic tools, 36 high-performance formulation vessels, and a large choice of racks with vials, syringes, and heated and disposable pre-formulation vessels can be integrated together on the same platform. With the AutoSuite user interface software, one can easily configure the platform deck that best suits the workflow needs. With a simple drag and drop movement, standard chemistry steps can be programmed. The formulation vessel technology cannot be equaled. Each formulation vessel is equipped with a stirring system with speeds up to 6,000 RPM for the highest mixing, dissolving, and emulsification power. Internal and external temperature control is so precise, to plus minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, that calorimetric measurement is possible, as well as pH measurement. A syringe pump in the formulation vessel allows continuous feeding from any tray location, from any formulation vessel to a central bottle. For pre-mix preparation, feed vessels can also be magnetically stirred. Peripherals such as a cryostat can be connected to the Formax. More than 30 features are available with ChemSpeed's unique robotic tool exchange technology. They include liquid handling powered by 4 syringe pumps, overhead gravimetric dispensing of powders and solids, overhead gravimetric dispensing and aspiration of high viscous liquids such as pastes and creams up to 500 Pascal, overhead gravimetric and volumetric dispensing of viscous liquids using disposable positive displacement tips up to 15 Pascal, ultrasonic dispersion, high shear homogenization, capping, crimping, gripping, and many other robotic features. In this sequence, the overhead gravimetric dispenser for highly viscous ingredients easily dispenses a paste onto the heating and cooling rack. The rack is covered by a reflux plate to avoid any loss of volatile compounds. Magnetic stirring can be activated to homogenize the premixes. When the precision balance has dispensed the required quantity, the piston aspirates the last drop of the paste. For liquid operations, a channel liquid handling robotic tool is installed. This robotic tool far exceeds the capabilities of any other commercial liquid handlers. The 4 needles are connected to 4 high-resolution syringe pumps. Different syringe sizes are available in order to make both small and large volume transfers with high accuracy. Spacing between the needles can be adjusted from 9 millimeters for microtiter plates, for example, up to 54 millimeters to be compatible with ChemSpeed's formulation vessels. The robotic tool rotates freely for both horizontal and vertical dispensing. One of the most innovative robotic tools is the dispensing robotic tool for solids. Its technology makes solid dispensing as convenient and accurate as liquid dispensing. Unlike traditional dispensing techniques, ChemSpeed's solution is visionary. The overhead balance itself moves to the targeted dispensing locations, requiring no tubes, vials, or formulation vessels to be moved and tarred. The overhead balance is selected by the robotic head. It picks up a dispensing container for solids and moves to the targeted destination. A motor-driven gear is linked to the weigh module. The rotation of the dispensing container gradually releases the solid. The integrated dispensing algorithm ensures that almost any solid is accurately and precisely dispensed. Dispensed amounts can range from 1 milligram to 100 grams. The balance ensures precision to 0.1 milligram. Disposable positive displacement tips can dispense viscous liquids up to 20 pascal from and to any location on the tray. This sequence shows what happens during an emulsion in a formulation vessel. This vessel is equipped with a rotor-stator stirrer, but other stirrer designs are available, such as the dissolver disc. The electrical heating starts to melt the fatty phase. The heat can be raised to 250 degrees Celsius. The two scrapers, located inside the formulation vessel and the stirrer, start the agitation, pushing back the ingredients to the center of the formulation vessel. The aqueous phase is then added by a feeding tube directly into the formulation vessel in order to create the emulsion. The result is a perfectly homogeneous, creamy substance. The applicator is a complete platform which can process samples and plates. Paints, glues, or inks, or any other liquid ingredients are dispensed with one of ChemSpeed's overhead gravimetric robotic tools onto the plate. A uniform film results from drawdown directly from the platform deck. The surface, speed, and blades can be changed and adjusted to create coatings with different film thicknesses to fit the requirements of a specific substance. During or after drying and curing, the applied coat can be tested for tack, as well as for color, glossiness, homogeneity, viscosity, friction, and much more. Third-party software such as Spotfire for data visualization and selection, JMP to design experiments, Virtual Lab for lab journal and instrument control, and many other laboratory software tools can be integrated with ChemSpeed AutoSuite workflow management software.